Tired of complicated and expensive international money transfers? In this video, we're diving into how Australians can use TapTap to send money abroad quickly and easily. First things first, let's download the TapTap app. Locate the app on the App Store for your phone, whether it's the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once downloaded, open the app and create an account. You'll be prompted to provide your personal details and verify your identity. This is a crucial step for security and to comply with Australian regulations. Think of your driver's license or passport for ID verification. Next, set up your transfer. Select the country you want to send money to from the list of available destinations. Now you'll enter the recipient's details. You'll need their full name, bank account information, and potentially their address as indicated in the app. Now it's time to choose your payment method. TapTap offers a variety of options, typically including bank transfers, and sometimes even debit card transfers or cash pickups. Depending on your location and the recipient's country, check the app for supported methods in Australia. Before confirming, review the fees, exchange rates, and the estimated arrival time. TapTap's transparency is a real plus. If everything looks good, confirm your transaction and you are done. You will often receive a tracking code to follow your money. And that's it. TapTap is designed for speed and convenience. Remember that transaction times may vary depending on jurisdictions. Keep in mind that regulations and fees are subject to change, so always consult the TapTap app for the latest information. Happy transferring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.